Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two popular countertop nugget ice makers, the Antarctic Star and the Zafro. Both machines promise to deliver delicious, chewable ice, but they come with different features and specifications. Let's explore what sets them apart and help you make an informed decision for your home or office. When it comes to ice production speed, the Zafro Nugget ice maker takes the lead with an impressive ice-making time of just 7 minutes. In contrast, the Antarctic Star Nugget ice maker operates at a standard speed, producing up to 34 pounds of ice in 24 hours. If you're in a hurry and need ice quickly, the Zafro might be the better choice. Material quality is another important factor to consider. The Antarctic Star Nugget ice maker boasts a durable stainless steel construction, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also ensures longevity. On the other hand, the Zafro Nugget ice maker is made from plastic, which may be less durable over time. If you prefer a more robust appliance, the Antarctic Star could be the way to go. Finally, let's talk about ice production capacity. The Antarctic Star can produce up to 34 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, while the Zafro edges ahead with a capacity of 35.5 pounds. This slight difference could be significant if you frequently host gatherings or need a large supply of ice. Consider your ice needs when making your choice. In conclusion, both the Antarctic Star and Zafro Nugget ice makers offer unique features that cater to different needs. Whether you prioritize speed, material quality, or ice production capacity, each machine has its strengths. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.